Welcome, dear soul. Take this time now to come home to yourself, nestling into comfort, using cushions, blankets, layers, whatever brings warmth and ease. Let yourself feel supported and allow your body to soften into the stillness. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do, only this moment in time. September is a sacred threshold, not yet the golden hush of autumn, no longer the vivid bloom of summer, but a quiet invitation, a pause, a breath. And there is power in your presence during this season. This practice honors the shift and supports those who feel sadness or fatigue of the seasonal change. It gently guides you to see the beauty and strength within it. The light changes, but so do you. And there is power in your presence during this season. And now bring awareness to your heart, allowing this space, your radiant center, to open like a flower turning toward the sun. From here, allow your sankalpa to arise. A short, present tense phrase, a truth that already lies within you. If nothing comes to mind, try I welcome the changes of this season with peace and power. Repeat whatever comes into your mind softly, 3 times, letting it echo into your whole being. And now we begin to guide our awareness gently through the body, starting with the right hand thumb, the right index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, the palm of the hand and the back of the hand, the wrist, the right forearm, the right elbow, upper arm, the right shoulder, the right armpit, the right waist, the right hip, the right thigh, the right knee, shin and ankle, the heel, sole of the right foot and the top of the foot, the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. And now bring awareness to the left hand thumb, the left index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, the left palm, the back of the left hand, the left wrist, the left forearm, the left elbow, upper arm, shoulder, the left armpit, the left waist, the left hip, thigh, knee, shin, the left ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. And now bring your awareness to the spine. Begin to gently move slowly and upward through the chakras, connecting to your root, glowing deep red, anchoring you into safety. The sacrum, warm and orange, inviting flow and feeling. The solar plexus, glowing yellow, full of personal strength and purpose. The heart, soft green, expansive, with compassion and connection. The throat, radiant blue, where your authentic voice lives. The third eye, your mind's eye, deep indigo, clear, with inner vision. And your crown, a luminous violet, white, shimmering light, open to the infinite. And now feel all of these centers aglow, a line of balanced energy drawing you into harmony and equanimity. And now feel the front body, the face, the throat, the chest, the belly, the thighs, shins, tops of the feet, and the back body, the back of the head, the neck, shoulders, spine, lower back, backs of the thighs, calves, and heels. Feeling your whole body bathed in awareness, the radiant being that you are. And now imagine yourself stepping outside on a September morning. The air is light and fresh. It's not yet cold. There's still green in the trees, but a golden tinge at the tips hints what's to come. You walk through a quiet park, and the world feels paused, not asleep, but listening. A soft breeze stirs the leaves, birds sing more gently, and the sunlight is softer now. A warm golden hue, as if the sky has mellowed. You continue on your walk, feeling mindfully, step by step. You feel your feet connect to the earth, noticing all of the details. The scent of cool earth rising, the subtle shift in the wind's voice, the feeling of the damp soil beneath your feet. And you realize this in-between moment holds a certain magic, not a decline, but a gathering of energy, wisdom, gratitude, and intention. You sit on a wooden bench, wrapping your arms around yourself like a warm shawl. A journal rests beside you, and you begin to write. I do not fear the seasons changing. I am the season. I am changing too, and I trust the timing. You feel the truth of this. You feel you are preparing and not fading as the leaves do. This season is not the end, but the opening. A new beginning wrapped in golden light. What strength might emerge from stillness? What beauty lies in simplicity? And what gifts are you gathering within you now for gratitude? Let yourself receive this. And as you rest here, absorb these truths, letting each one settle softly into your heart. I honor my body's wisdom through changing light. I dress in warmth and feel held by the season. I nourish myself with rest, compassion, and kindness. I allow nature to mirror my own unfolding. I make space for softness in my busy schedule. I choose to slow down but not stop. And let these words surround you like golden leaves, gentle reminders of your strength, your softness, and your sovereignty. And now bring your awareness gently back to the breath, back to the heart. Feel that same radiant center alive with your sankalpa, and repeat it now with devotion. Let your sankalpa root deeply into your subconscious, just like a seed planted in the soft earth. And saying to yourself silently, my practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Beginning to gently deepen the breath, wiggling fingers and toes, tuning into whatever the body is asking for now, whether that be a stretch, a twist, a yawn, a sigh, or even sleep. Rolling onto your side in a restful curl. And when you're ready, rise slowly to a seated position. Bring your right hand onto your heart, followed by your left, and feel a sense of gratitude for this moment, for your body, for this unfolding season. September's embrace is all yours. You are not alone in the shift, but you are ready for the beauty that it will bring. Your practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Namaste.